as can be. Four little frogs sitting by the tree. Four little frogs hopping happily. One jump splash, then there were three. Croak, croak, croak in the water blue. Three little frogs singing, how do you do? Hi! Three little frogs playing all day through. One jump splash, then there were two. Croak, 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 having lots of fun. Two little frogs warming in the sun. Two little frogs jumping just for fun. One jump splash, then there was one. Croak, 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 swimming all alone. One little frog sitting on a stone. One little frog sitting in the sun. He jumped splash, then there were none. Croak, 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 hear the water run. All the little frogs had lots of fun. Splash, splash, splash in the pond today. Happy little frogs love to jump and